was another epic day at Scaling New Heights in the Atlantis Resort. Joe Woodard kicked off the day on the main stage by welcoming world-renowned entrepreneur Daymond John from ABC's Shark Tank. Sharing his story in a humorous and candid way, Daymond highlighted the keys to his success and his 5 shark points of advice for entrepreneurs. Some lucky attendees even received a special photo op with the Shark Tank star after his keynote. The breakout sessions continued with over 30 offerings of intensive information and education. The main stage afternoon show featured a Play Hard, Work Hard lip sync contest where Matt Rizzle, T-Sheet's CEO, stole the show. The ICB Scaling New Heights Bookkeeper Symposium hosted a panel discussion and a networking opportunity for attendees who were eager to learn more about their industry. After a long day, it was time to party in paradise at the Aura nightclub.